The Crete Historical Museum at Heraklion carries on where the Archaeological Collective leaves off, at the end of the Classic period. Here, you can view Cretan history through Roman, Byzantine, Venetian, Ottoman Turkish, and modern times. Byzantine icons and other early Christian art take pride of the place, plus wood carvings, and a good collection of 17th century pottery. The modern section features relics from a series of revolts that shook Crete periodically, including weapons and flags. There's a room dedicated to the 20th century Cretan novelist, Nikos Kazantzakis, known to the world as the creator of the character Zorba the Greek. The Archaeological Collection Archanes and the Historical Museum are best visited in sequence to give you the uninterrupted panorama of 8,000 years